MEDIT M is designed for fast and effective communication between clinics and labs. You can easily review the scanned cases, check order progress, and chat with partners about specific cases. With MEDIT M, experience seamless digital collaboration anytime, anywhere. Download and install MEDIT M from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Search for MEDIT M. No additional registration is required for MEDIT M. Simply log in with the admin ID of your existing MEDIT Link account. Simultaneous logins on both PC and mobile are supported, and multiple users can access with the same ID at the same time. The top bar features icons for search, chatbot, notifications, and My Info located next to the title of the selected menu. You can address issues with MEDIT's AI chatbot and, if needed, escalate support requests to the MEDIT support team if necessary. The app opens to the Casebox menu for clinic accounts. In the Casebox, cases registered in the MEDIT Link cloud are displayed like images in a mobile phone gallery. Case statuses are updated in real time, just like in the PC version of MEDIT Link. The case list can be filtered by time period and sorted by date. Selecting a case provides detailed case information. The Case Details menu provides basic information, such as the case name and scan date, along with details recorded on the order form. If a clinic's order is still in the pending status, it can be cancelled by clicking the Cancel Order button at the bottom of the Case Details tab. For labs, orders from clinics can be accepted or rejected in the Case Details tab. In the Scan Data tab, you can review scan data. Using touch gestures, you can rotate, zoom in, and view 3D data in detail from various angles. Clicking the chat icon at the top of the Case Details page opens the Order Chat. The Order Chat enables case-specific communication with partners about ordered cases. MEDIT M offers two types of chats: Order Chat for case-specific conversations and one-on-one chat for communication with partners. One-on-one chat is available with partners established via the MEDIT Link web version. During chats, you can send stored photos or capture and send new images directly. The Partners menu displays information about partners with established partnerships. Lab users can accept partnership requests from clinics. Notifications keep users informed about status changes, overall app usage, and updated order statuses. If you wish to stop receiving notifications, you can do so in the My Info section. You can also change the app's language settings. MEDIT M will keep evolving with exciting new features, starting with enhanced partner communication. Stay tuned for the next level of MEDIT M.